Okay, Tawfiq, good morning. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah.
Yes, I am well by the grace of Allah, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I am also fine. Today we are very excited as we are going to start a conversation with you. Okay, now I will ask you some questions about the importance of learning English. I hope you are ready to answer the questions.
So
Okay.
I want to give thank to you for make a presentation about this about importance of learning English.
Yeah, actually it is not like presentation. We are just group discussion. You can call it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Tawfiq, you are very serious student and you are very serious about learning English, and you also come here every day and study very seriously. So I'm really glad at your performance. So at first I want to ask you a question. Why you want to learn English?
Yes, sir. I want to learn English to introduce myself in another countries like USA, USA, Canada, Saudi Arabia, and etc. Because if we do not know English, we cannot introduce ourselves with unknown person. Because English has served as a among me and another person who is lived in America, and it's also
Outside
serves.
Bangladesh.
Yes, sir. It's also served as a primary language with me and him.
Okay. So you know that English is a global language. So can you tell me why English is called global language?
Yes, sir. English is called global language for his historical, economical, and cultural factors. And English is used as a primary and secondary language in many countries. And it is also used for entertainment industries and academic and international technologies. That's why English considered as a global language.
Okay. So earlier you mentioned the purpose of your learning English.
Yes, sir.
So in general, so why English is important for the people in Bangladesh, especially the students in Bangladesh? Why they should be serious in learning English?
Yes, sir. They should serious to learn English, because if they want to read in abroad, like many good university like Oxford University, Harvard University, and University of Glasgow, they must know English, because English is the official language in international university. Otherwise, he or she cannot introduce himself with other student in who is come from another countries.
You know that to get access to higher education,
Yes, sir.
the students must attend to IELTS exam. So for doing good at IELTS exam, students have to learn English.
Yes, sir.
Because without scoring a good result of a good score of IELTS, they will not be able to go abroad for higher studies.
Yes, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I want to ask you an interesting question. Does English open opportunities of earning money or use money?
Yes, sir. English is also open the earning higher money, because if we earn money like many good project, freelancing, then they are buying house, TaskRabbit, Yugo, they are online platform. Give you money if you writing many paragraph or article about many topics.
Okay. Can you answer another question? Why the students in Bangladesh lag behind in learning English? They study for 12 to 14 years English, academic English. Still they cannot speak English. Still they cannot write something in English. What are the reasons?
Yes, sir. They don't attend to give their spoken English skills. They only read grammar and many higher grammar, but they do not attentive to their spoken English skills. That's why they cannot improve their learning English, and it's a very big fact, because if a student cannot know English, he cannot introduce himself with any unknown students, and it is a big fact.
They just bring something
Yes, sir.
Okay, and they whatever they memorize, they do not understand it properly, and there is lack of comprehensive power maybe, and they are also not used to freehand writing. Whatever they write, they just first they memorize them and they just write them without understanding. Is it?
Yes, sir. And sir, yeah, English is always helps to communication with others, which is from another countries, whether it is traveling or playing or academic. That's why English is
Purpose.
That's why English is important
Okay,
for
why
communication.
is English important for multinational companies?
Yes,
Can you add
English
something?
English is important for multinational companies for to give a partnership, a relationship with employees and the owner too, because English has served as a primary language with them.
Okay, very good. Okay, we had a very good conversation with you, Tawfiq, and really enjoyed your conversation. And I asked you some questions, and you replied very nicely.
Yes.
Hopefully, next time we will make another video, not only another, we will make more and more videos, and gradually we can develop ourselves, and we will have interesting videos in future from you. Okay?
Yes, sir. Sir, at last, I am very excited to know the student the important things, which is helps to develop our skills in English. Sir, do you give me the opportunity to tell something?
Okay, you can tell.
Yes, sir. At first, the student should listening very much because psychology has said that listening is helps us to memorize 80%,
Yes.
and then the thing is writing is helps us 50%, and at last is reading is helps us only 5%. That's why we should listening more and more, then we will be a great speaker in English.
Because we also learn Bengali by following this way.
Yes, sir.
Firstly, we listen to our mother. Then we learn to speak gradually.
Yes, sir.
Then we started reading. Then we started writing. So we have to follow these rules in terms of English.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you want to add something more?
Yes,
Or
sir.
should we finish?
Yes, sir. I give you a historical of English. English is come from the West Germanic language, and it's come from Middle England, which is used by Shakespeare and Harry Anderson and like etc. poem.
Okay.
And the people of who is uses English in the as of 2024, 1.6 billion people use English as their mother language.
Okay, very good. So we got some interesting information from you. You studied a lot, I think. Okay, thank you so much for joining with me. Okay.
Yes, sir.